Hello everyone and welcome again to TalentSprint. We are going to discuss another vital cog in the financial intermediation system of the country, and they are known as the registrars and transfer agents, the R&T A, or the registrars and transfer agent. Who is a registrar and transfer agent? Registrar and transfer agents are the trusts or institutions that register and maintain detailed records of the transactions of investors for the convenience of mutual fund houses. Registrars and transfer agents are the trusts or institutions that register and maintain detailed records of the transactions for the convenience of the mutual fund houses. So to that extent, a registrar and transfer agent is the back office of a mutual fund house. We have already seen something about registrars and transfer agent in our video on mutual fund, but since this topic is about financial intermediation, I am introducing you again to the concept of registrars and transfer agents. They are the back office of a mutual fund. They register and maintain detailed records of the transactions of the investors for the convenience of mutual fund houses, which means that the registrars are the ones who maintain the detailed transaction records. Each and every transaction, whether it be a commercial transaction or a non-commercial transaction, such as a change of address or change of email ID or a change of telephone number, is all maintained by the R&T A. The registrar and transfer agent is a person or entity responsible for maintaining the records of the individuals and also maintaining the transaction records of the individuals, of the investors, I should say, not individuals. The transfer agency, registrar is one part, the other part is the transfer agency. The transfer agency is an organization used by mutual funds and companies and other financial services firms to prepare and maintain documents and records relating to shareholder accounts. On the one hand, you have the registrars doing the registry work on behalf of the mutual funds. On the other hand, you have them doing the share transfer business or documents and records relating to the shareholders' accounts. They are also done by the R&T. On the one hand, you have the mutual fund companies. On the other hand, you have the shareholders. An R&T agent, a registrar and transfer agent, maintains records of every mutual fund transaction on behalf of the fund house through his network of offices across the country. Normally, R&Ts, as I told you, are the back office of the mutual fund houses. And because the mutual fund houses cannot open offices in every nook and corner of the country, they entrust this job to the R&T agents, who normally open offices across the country. And through their network of branches across the country, the R&T agents service their mutual fund clients. Some of the well-known R&T agents in the country are Karvi, CAMS, which is Computer Aided Management Services. Karvi is based out of Hyderabad. CAMS is based out of Chennai. Sundaram Financial Services is a unit of Sundaram Finance Limited. They are also based out of Chennai. Franklin Templeton Services are the in-house R&T agent of Franklin Templeton Mutual Fund. They also carry out their activities out of Chennai. And Escorts Limited. Escorts is the R&T agent for the Escort Mutual Fund. They are based out of Delhi. They are the R&T agents in the mutual fund industry in India. These are the 5 R&T agents for the mutual fund industry in India today. An R&T agent, through his wide network of branches across the country, helps the process both financial and non-financial transactions. As I told you, it could be a financial transaction such as a sale or purchase or switch of amounts from the mutual fund industry, or it could also mean a non-financial transaction such as the change of address, change of telephone number, change of nominations, change of email IDs, etc. The R&T agent gives the investors the forms of fund houses and sends account statements. The R&T agent is responsible for sending out the account statements. The R&T agents also operate what are known as investor service centers, and through these investor service centers, they actually give out fund forms. They give out the application forms on behalf of the various mutual funds they offer. Mutual funds they service, and these forms are given to the investors for being filled up and they accept the application forms. And once the transaction is put through, then in the case of a purchase form or in the case of a redemption as well, they send out the account statements to the investors. The R&T is responsible for that. An R&T agent also helps investors with information and details on any new fund offers, the history of dividend paid, consolidation of folios, or any such information. In other words, as I told you in the beginning, the R&T agent functions as a complete back office of a mutual fund house. Investors can get information about various investments in different schemes of different fund houses at a single point, and that is the office of the R&T agent. Due to their having offices across the country, they serve as branches for the mutual funds and helps them in their sales processes. R&T agents provide greater access across the country and thereby help save costs. The mutual fund house or the asset management company pays money for the services of the R&T agent. It is known as a transaction fee. For every commercial transaction fee, there is a prescribed fee limit base, prescribed fee which is agreed upon, and for every non-commercial transaction also there is a fee. For every change of address there is a fee, and so on and so forth. So the mutual fund house actually pays a fee to the R&T agent for carrying out the activities of the registrar and transfer agency work for and on behalf of the mutual fund companies. So this is about the R&T agents, and I hope you got enough information from this short video. I hope you liked watching this video, and until I see you again on a different topic with a new video, it's bye from me for now. Thanks for watching, and please continue to watch TalentSprint videos. Thanks and bye for now.